Hello and welcome back everyone. Today is the 8th of November 2021 and it's just gone 3 minutes past 10 p.m. UK time. To all the viewers that are watching this for the first time, I would just like to let you know briefly what it is that I'm doing here. I am trying to grow a small £300 account to a substantial amount, just to see if it is possible. I am trading Forex, so there are currency pairs, and I will be documenting all of my trades, all the ups and the downs, and everything else that comes with trading. So I'm just going to get to it straight away. Yesterday we ended up entering 2 trades. One was for Euro Chef. As you could see here, we ended up getting a sell signal. We did get triggered into the sell, but as we can see, today has ended up becoming a bullish day. Price did go quite close to my stop loss and then rejected down and just stayed at this level during the day. New candle has opened with a 15 pip spread, so I am hoping that this candle does not move up with this 15 pip spread. I hope it does go down, but if it does move up, then there is a definite chance of me actually losing this trade. Now, some of you might think, well, why don't you just move the stop loss a bit? No, that's not my intention. If I do move the stop loss, there is a chance that it could come up further and I could lose further, and I could have just lost £4, end up losing £8 instead because of moving it. So I didn't see enough distance between the price that I entered and where the market went. Basically, if I had this daily candle close bearish, then I would have moved my stop loss down to break even with a little bit of profit, but obviously it hasn't given me that chance. So let's see what happens, and I will move on to my second trade that I entered, which was the AUD NZD. Now the AUD NZD is looking very good. We did have a strong bearish move towards the downside, and I am targeting 2 to 1. Currently my stop loss is 60 pips. Now that is because of the spread. Yesterday's spread, I think it was 7, so I added 7 onto 53 pips, I think it was, or something like that, which rounded it up to 60. So just to give me that, extra bit of space just in case they widen the spread. Now this is quite interesting. If anybody knows why this happens, then please do leave a comment down below. As you can see, the spread has opened up to 34 pips on this pair. Absolutely, I don't know what the heck is going on here. But this, I have seen this over and over and over again. So I don't know why it happens, because you'd expect spread widening to happen with volatility coming into the market, but I don't know. Don't know if volatility does come into the market at this time. Okay, so what am I going to do here? Well, because it's moved 26 pips, spread is 34, I don't really want to move my stop loss down. I don't think it's safe to do so. I think if I did move my stop loss down into break even, I have a big chance of actually knocking myself out of the trade. Now, that is only 25 pips away, 26, 25 pips away, the spread. Now, the actual price is 61 pips, so it is currently at 1-to-1. So it's the spread that's causing a big difference. So I'm gonna wait and see what happens in this hour. Usually when half an hour to 45 minutes has passed after the daily candle has opened, the spread tends to die down and it goes back to its normal range. So this trade, I am definitely going to be watching it today, now, and I am going to be keeping my eye on it tomorrow throughout the day, because it is coming quite close to the support area, as you can see, and maybe tomorrow it might give us another big push and we might be able to lock in a 1-to-1 take profit and just let the trade do its thing. So hopefully it works out like that. And this one here, I don't know, I don't have any idea what this is going to do now. There is a possibility that it can take me out, which more than likely it might do, but if the spread does start to go down, then we may still be in this trade. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens here, and hopefully we can make it through this trade on the Euro Chef. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come back in a second. I'm gonna go through all the pairs. Any trades that I get into, I will explain on the videos, the ones that I've the trades that I've got into. So I'll be back in a second. Welcome back, everyone. So I've been through all of the pairs, and the only one that is currently interesting is a GBP pair, this one here. So the GBP CAD. So we can see here that this bearish candle broke through a level of support. Now price has come back up and possibly is going to touch this support again, but this is a clear sell signal. But the problem here is I don't know, I just feel like this one is going to carry on going up. Because if you look on the weekly, you can see it had a significant down move. Now this is the first sign of a bullish candle. Now I don't know if this will close bullish during end of this week. If it does, then that could signify a pullback happening. Now if I get in right here, this could be the beginning of a pullback, and you could just lose this trade straight away. It really would have been ideal to actually get in here and then take all of this instead of getting into the move later on. I was talking about the NZD CAD yesterday. Now what happened on this pair today is exactly as I expected it to happen. We actually broke above the support area here. Now this would be a definite buy opportunity for me, but at this point here, or possibly even down here. But when I'm checking on the weekly, I'm not really sure whether this is going to carry on going up. So I'm kind of thinking whether to take this trade or not to take this trade. This would be a good candle to actually get into. Buy. Stop loss is a 65 pip, so I can see this support zone here was tested here, and I could see a curvature of the MAs. So whether to take or not to take, that is the question. Plus we are quite close to this top here. What? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one. I just don't get a feel for that one. Now this the GBP chef was quite a good one. Now you can see the break here, and it actually come back up, but we didn't get a chance to get in. And now the second drop. Now the problem here is if it respects this zone on a support, then getting into this trade here might be maybe quite dangerous actually, because could turn around. So we're looking at round about here would be a stop loss. So let's see what happens here. So I think I am gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna risk actually getting into another trade. As you can see, the spread here has gone down to 10, but if you look at today's candle close, you can see a slight rejection here. We have rejection here, so the rejection of price going up is there. So maybe this is a indication that price is going to actually go lower. Price should actually go lower, but just because we think it should go lower, it might not go lower. Just to clarify that. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. I'm not gonna take any more trades today. So I'll see you tomorrow on tomorrow's update, and I'll let you know how the trades went. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe, like, comment and share, and see you guys on the next one.